O-Cedar mop. This is a really fun mop because of its very unique design where you guys can actually spin the mop head to get rid of all the water whenever you guys are done rinsing. So just a couple of spins and now it is not quite soaking, but still damp enough to actually get in there and mop on the floor. So overall, a really fun design here. Anyways, let's get back into this list and go over some of the other pros and cons about the O-Cedar mop. So like I was saying, this thing's a lot of fun, and sometimes I could get a little carried away using this little spinner tool, but basically you guys just lightly hold the top and then that's how you guys just let it spin. There's no special thing where the actual arm up here spins. You just lightly hold it, let it kind of spin in your hand. So another cool thing that I like about this mop is the actual mop head. So it has a very unique triangular design, and that basically just lets you get a little further into corners than some other mops would let you. Another cool thing is this is actually detachable. So if this gets too dirty, you guys could always just take it off just like that and replace the entire mop head. And then when you guys are ready to throw this back on, I just push straight down and sometimes step around it to make sure it's sealed, and we are all set for our next mop. Another unique thing about this mop is that the handle is expandable, which is really nice for storage. I think that's the main reason that people would use this, but as you guys can see, it is much shorter now. So that's pretty cool, and I assume it's probably easier to package something that can kind of get a little smaller like that. The overall mop arm is very sturdy as well, so you guys don't have to be afraid about the snapping. You guys could really put some force on this to get in the grout of your tile like this. And yes, this is tile and not a hardwood floor. But yeah, overall, it's a very unique mop, which is why I love this thing so much. A lot of other mops like my previous one, let me go ahead and grab it, are just very simple. This mop definitely did a good job as well, but now that I have more hard floors, I really like having something more like that, and that just makes cleaning just a little bit easier.